All right, so let's do domain and range first. So domain, what x values does this thing have? Well, it starts out over here at -10, and then the x value travels along and gets bigger and bigger and bigger until it gets right there and then stops. The graph stops at 3. So the domain, the x value, starts at -10, goes over to 3. They are both filled in circles, so it gets brackets. The range, which is the y values, all right, so where's the bottom of the graph? The bottom of the graph is right there. The top of the graph is right there. So it is in between -6 and 1. Again, we're talking about the up and down, which is harder with graphs like this because it goes up and then comes down and then goes back up again. Now, does it actually hit those numbers? Meaning, are they closed circles? Any point on that line is a closed circle. So those are both closed circles, even though they're not filled in. All right, so it gives me that. Find h of -5. That means x equals -5. What the heck is y? So -5, x is -5 right there, which is -5, -2. So that answer is -2. Find h of x equals 1. That means, hey, y equals 1. What's x? All right. Well, y equals 1 right there. The only point where y equals 1 is right there at -2. So -2, 1. And remember, these don't mean the same thing. This means -5, -2. Yep, and this one means -2, 1. All right, so even though it's the same answer, they do not mean the same point. They mean two different points.